Hello there and welcome back to DaveTech. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download the AMPlayer to your Android TV box, or Google TV. Any device running an Android operating system will work well using the Unlinked method. So you need Unlinked. If you do not have this app already, check the link in the description for a tutorial that will show you how to download it. When you have it, you need to use your remote control to navigate to it and enter. At the end of this tutorial, you should successfully download the AMPlayer app. And if you find value in this, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. So I'm on linked and I'm pressing OK. The app is going to load and you're going to find this add new library. We're going to use libraries to download. So click on add new library and type in everything. This is the code we're going to use, everything, EVERY, everything, no space. Type it exactly as you see, and when you've typed it, hit the enter button. Now when you click enter, you find this welcome page where you hit enter again, and you find these apps right here. Scroll down. We're looking for the AMPlayer app. Under 12, navigate, and you find AMPlayer right here. Click on it and you find the download button to click. Launch, and you're going to begin a download automatically. Give this a couple of minutes or a couple of seconds depending on your internet speed, and when the download is completed, you'll be prompted to install the application. If your network is poor, this may fail, so click on the download button again and wait for the download to begin. Ensure you have good network connection for this to work smoothly and seamlessly for you. If your connection is good, you actually have no problem faced in this installation. But the minute the download is complete, hit the install button that automatically appears and you'll be able to install this app straight into your app library with no issues. If you found value in this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.